Namaste. In this video I will tell you how to draw a line on an image. So first of all I'm going to import my library, that is cv2. After that, here is a variable name pic cv2 dot I am read bracket. Now type the image name. Now red 0, 0, 255. After that cv2 dot tab. Now line, because I'm going to draw a line. Now now enter the name pic, because I'm going to draw a line on a pic, that is my variable pic. Okay, that store the data of my image. Now enter the starting point, that is 0, 0 in my case, and enter the ending point, that is let's say 250, 260. After that, type the color name red. Just remember here 0, 0, 255 represent red color. After that, press enter, type cv2 dot I am show cv2 dot I am show, type pic, that is my variable name, and pic that is gonna my console name. After that, cv2 dot weight key weight key 0. Now click on run this code. As you can see, the red line is very thin. To make it thick, type equal to 20. Now run this code. Before running this code, make sure you close this. After that, run this code. As you can see, the line become thick. Somebody say, hey, I don't like the red color, I want the green color. So what you need to gonna do is 0, 255, click on run. First we need to close this tab, and here is the red color. Okay, now somebody said, hey, I don't want the green color, I want blue color. So just type 255 in the starting and 0 here. Now click on run. As you can see, draw the blue line. Now let's tell you something. The first number represent blue color, the second number represent green color, and the third number represent red color. If you type the mixed value, for example, somebody say like type 25, 80 and 60. Now run this code. As you can see, the color is something mixed color, so you can make many kinds of color by just changing this value. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. If you have any kinds of doubts and queries, make sure you comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.